My friends, welcome back to another video. Hope you're fine now, friends. In this video we have a look of StormX. What's the price since goes in StormX? What's the currently status of the StormX in the cryptocurrencies markets? In this video I will show you. So before starting this interesting video, friends, if you are new on my channel, so please support me and click the subscribe button now. Thank you so much for subscribing my channel. Now as you can see now on the screen, that is the last 1 hour price prediction of the StormX coin in the last 1 hour, friends. If we look the price change occur in the last 1 hour, so absolutely is positive 0.02% change occur in the last 1 hour, friends. And same like that, the high price of StormX coin is $0.067156 USD dollar is the high price of the Storm in the last 1 hour, friends. As you can see, the graph tell us, the chart tell us that continuously at this time the explosion, the change, good change occur in the StormX coin in the last 1 hour, friends. Now let's see the last 1 day price predictions for more details of StormX coin. As you can see here, the last 1 day price predictions are false, but don't worry, now at this time currently they are again start explosion. The change occur in the last 1 day, so the change is negative 5.23% change occur in the StormX in the last 1 day, and the high price of Storm is $0.076927 USD dollar is the high price of the StormX coin in the last 1 day, friends. So friends, my suggestion for all of StormX holder, if you are a holder of StormX coin, so please don't sell it at this time. As you know, at this time they are also in the lows, so the big explosion are coming soon. So wait for the big pumps and jumps of the StormX coin. When they start explosion, it's the best time for you to buy and sell it at this time and take your profit and go away from the crypto market. So what's your opinion about StormX coin? Please share in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe Abby's Tech channel. Thank you so much. Make sure to subscribe, please.